for breakfast, that is the first meal of the day, I have 100 grams of high protein oats with 200 grams of milk. एंड मैंने इसमें थोड़ा आर्टिफिशियल स्वीटनर भी ऐड किया है क्योंकि मेरा स्वीट टूथ कुछ ज़्यादा ही स्वीट है. एंड देन आई हैव सम ग्रीन टी जो मैं पानी पीने के बाद और खाने के बाद पीऊँगा. इट वर्क्स एज अ डायरेटिक. Okay, then I have hyperabsorbent magnesium complex by Chamber of Gods, which I have with around a liter of water. I try to get like at least a liter of water before I leave for college. Every single time जब मैं थोड़ा decent भी दिखने लगता हूँ, I just have to go and get the worst haircut known to mankind. It doesn't look that bad क्योंकि अभी 1-2 दिन हो गया, but still looks like shit, right? So I was just having my breakfast and I'm talking to a friend about this. Someone made a Reddit post about me asking if I'm natural, and the comments are low-key all really funny and nobody thinks I'm natural. Like there are some people with some brain cells left who think I'm natural, but yeah, most of the people they don't think I'm natural. What the fuck मैं ऐसे क्यों बात कर रहा हूँ natural? YouTube को. So because of the Reddit post, I was actually watching my first YouTube video, that is pilot home workout. एंड मैंने उसका नाम पायलट इसलिए दिया था क्योंकि तब आई यूज्ड टू वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ सिटकम, द ऑफिस, मॉडर्न फैमिली, एंड सब में फर्स्ट एपिसोड का नाम पायलट होता था. तो आई थॉट आई वाज डूइंग समथिंग देयर. बट एनीवेज, it just made me realize how much I've grown, and all the steroid acquisitions and stuff, it's like pretty weak if someone does any research at all. क्योंकि मेरा पूरा जर्नी लाइक यूट्यूब पे पूरा दिया हुआ है. तो you can't obviously think I was taking steroids or something while lifting bags at home, right? So yeah, and since पूरा journey almost पूरा journey YouTube पे है, so anyone who watches all the videos, they can notice that there isn't any significant growth like between two videos, and कुछ videos में even 3-4 महीने का भी gap है. अभी मैंने लास्ट वीडियो पोस्ट किया था 7-8 महीने पहले, but I've been really active on Insta, so you can go there and check if there have been any major growth phases. You think I could have been taking steroids or something. This bag by Fuark is a huge lifesaver, by the way. क्योंकि since मैं college से सीधा gym जाता हूँ, I have to carry a lot of stuff in my bag, like my Chamber of Gods craft pre-workout, gym के लिए extra कपड़े, and then the camera, the tripod, a power bank, college के books, college के copies, and a water bottle, a tiffin, and also a laptop sometimes. So yeah, bag gets pretty heavy and most bags can't even fit all of that stuff in them. But this bag में fit भी आ जाता है, and it has these like side buckles. So once you put them on, bag ऐसे compress हो जाता है. So you don't look like Dora the Explorer or Dobby carrying this rug or whatever, walking around the college. So I'm in college right now. I just had 2 classes from 9:30 to 11:45, and I don't have any classes till 2:15. So I usually use this time to edit my reel for the day and maybe post a trial reel or two, some of which work out really well, actually better than the videos I post on my feed. Anyways, I don't have my lunch till 1, so I usually have some snacks during this time since I got back on the maintenance. Otherwise I just used to have nothing, or maybe some coconut water. Yeah. So I usually get like a protein bar or a protein snack like chips or something. But I'm planning on having something else today after I'm done with the lunch, which I have around 1. तो कल रात इट्स नॉट जस्ट दैट आई डेंट स्लीप अ गुड अमाउंट. कल रात में एक्चुअली एसी ऑन करके चादर ओढ़ के सोया था. एंड रात में कभी तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी गया है तो एसी बंद हो गया एंड मैं स्टिल चादर ओढ़ के सोया था. तो व्हेन आई वोक अप आई वाज लाइक completely covered in sweat, and then I couldn't go back to sleep anymore. तो आई थिंक उसके वजह से कॉलेज में लंच के बाद से आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग रियली बैड, लाइक आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग सिक एंड आई काइंड ऑफ फेल सिक अभी. बट तबीयत अभी ज़्यादा ख़राब लग रहा है. तो वर्कआउट के स्टार्टिंग में आई वाज फीलिंग रियली लाइट हेडेड, स्पेशली डम्बल प्री इंक्लाइन डम्बल प्रेस करते वक्त. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड लाइक लाइट हेडेड और फील नहीं हो रहा था, बट आई वाज स्टिल वाजंट फीलिंग गुड. बट आई स्टिल मैनेज टू गेट अ गुड वर्कआउट इन, क्योंकि स्ट्रेंथ मैनेज हो गया, स्ट्रेंथ इंक्रीज हुआ. एंड आई थिंक आई गॉट अ decent pump. It wasn't that good, but it wasn't that bad either. But I couldn't get like good clips, तो मैं probably पुराने clips use करूँगा कुछ कुछ to show the pump. I just hope तबीयत ज़्यादा ख़राब ना हो, क्योंकि I don't wanna skip, like I don't wanna have to skip the gym. And अगर gym जा भी रहा हूँ तो I want to be performing at my max performance there, right? बट यार तबीयत थोड़ा ख़राब तो हो रहा है. होपफुली आई वेक अप टुमारो एंड इट वुड हैव मैजिकली बीन सॉल्व्ड. तो कंसिडरिंग हाउ आई वाज फीलिंग, टुडेज वर्कआउट वाज अ रियली स्किपेबल वर्कआउट. बट आई वेंट टू द जिम एंड आई हैड द वर्कआउट एंड ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट हैव एनी रिग्रेट्स, क्योंकि वर्कआउट काफ़ी अच्छा गया. एंड द थिंग इज, even when you're feeling not even when you're not feeling that good, and when you're not really feeling like going to the gym, trust me, just go to the gym, get your workout in. By the end of the workout you'll be feeling much better. So this is my final post workout meal. dinner dinner at 250 grams of chicken breast, 70 grams of dahi and kuch masale, all added up to make chicken butter masala. I'm gonna have that with around 100 grams of roti. I'm gonna have my creatine with it, and the final supplement would be Deep Sea King by Chamber of Gods, fish oil. And रात में सोने से आधे घंटे पहले I'll have magnesium again. So that is pretty much it. That's what my whole day looks like, and that's what my whole day of eating looks like. I was planning on ending this video a little differently, but तबीयत काफ़ी ख़राब लग रहा है. तो this is it. Stay consistent, keep evolving and have fun, क्योंकि that is the whole point.